guys, welcome back to Hobby Farm Homestead. We just got back from camping. Got a couple videos of it, a couple clips, but not a whole lot. I didn't really want to do a lot of filming. I was just relaxing, taking it easy for sure. So I'll show you the footage right now, and I'll catch you on the other side. Starting to go.
Ready to get on YouTube?
Just random pictures.
That's a nice kettle.
Well, yours is like that, is it?
Ours is a little bit smaller, right?
Yeah, it doesn't have this, so you can use.
Oh, you can use that
Stack.
lid, or you can stack them.
Might be too close. Yeah, so like I said, it wasn't a whole lot. But today, it's Labor Day weekend, and today's Labor Day, and we're just taking it easy. So, but I wanted to catch up with you guys. I'll talk about some of the upcoming projects. First of all, I want to show you this. This is all done. Held up pretty good. It rained while we were there pretty good, and it didn't, no water come in, so I think I got it all figured out. So that's a good thing. That is a good thing. The camper's all cleaned up. Now we will be going back for like a Halloween trick-or-treat type of deal in October. I'll try to get more footage of that when I go. That'll have all the kids and decorations, all the fun stuff. Yeah, and I can't even believe we're talking about Halloween already. This summer has blown by, but for sure, definitely. One of the upcoming projects, which is going to happen soon, we are going to revamp our whole chicken setup here, especially the coop, with where the roosts are and stuff like that. I think I'm going to put in a lot more roosts. So right now we only have 5 on one level, and I think we need to put maybe double level, maybe 3 levels there. It should fit. So like what I'm talking about is, you know, taking this all out. This is getting ready to deteriorate anyhow. So keeping it the same width, and then bringing it all the way up to here, and all the way across. So I would have probably 1 level, 2, and 3. So there'd be 3 levels of roosting boxes, and then also I want to make it to where you just open the door out, and then they're right there. They tend to want to get in there and just roost all night, and then they're kind of making the roosting boxes too dirty for the eggs. So I want to try to revamp that and figure something different out on that. And this corn is getting up there. It's starting to get cobs on it. So hopefully this is ready for decoration by Halloween. And then the garden, I'm going to take the fence down. I have 3 more cages in there, salvage what I can, and then I'm going to brush hog it down. The only thing I got in here that I'm going to save is the cucumbers. I planted them extremely late, but we should be okay. I'll just weed around them a little bit more. There's a plant, there's one over there. So hopefully we'll get some cucumbers off of it so I can make some pickles. If not, oh well, not a big deal. Like I said, this year's garden, I think I overcrowded it. And the one out back did great. The beans and the corn, awesome, did great. But this one I overcrowded it, so there really wasn't any room to work. So, you know, lessons learned. Next year I won't overcrowd this. I'll make the garden out back a little bigger. Work on a water transport system so I can take water back to water it. This year we had enough rain, so it wasn't a big deal. But you never know what next year will bring us. It could be a long drought or what. So I'm gonna need some sort of system to get water back here. I have a hay wagon that's kind of smaller. I was thinking about getting one of those totes and then put like a little transfer pump on it and use that. So if you guys got any ideas for transferring water to where you don't have it, give me a comment below and see what we can come up with. Also, another project that's going to be a big project is the barn up the road here at our other farm for the pigs. We are definitely going to get in there, get that other side tore down and get it looking just like the other side. Probably going to maybe put a cool room in for the feed. Some of that feed can't be in the high humidity that we feed during you know, feeding for the show pigs. So might put a cool room in, don't know yet, but see how far we get along with it. And you know, because we got concrete to pour and all kinds of, just lots of stuff. But anyways guys, I just want to touch base with you. I'm going to try to put out more videos here in a little while, but right now I'll catch you guys in the next one.